Hey y'all, so I'm currently at Sheetz. I made it out today. So I'm recording on my phone because my camera got dead as soon as I got in the car. The weather is nice today. It's about 50 something degrees or degrees. Like, learn how to speak. It's 50 something degrees out here. It feels absolutely wonderful. All sunrise, I've been working. Y'all, what is going on? Get it together, girl. Today, this sunrise, I edited a YouTube video, I edited a TikTok, I replied to emails, I cleaned up a little bit, so everything has been completed as far as work-wise. So everything will be up tonight at 8:30. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Z. And if you are an OG, hey girl, hey, welcome back to the channel. So I'm filling up my car right now. Shout out to Sheetz for the iced coffee. I got a iced caramel vanilla latte, large, with extra espresso and extra caramel and vanilla syrup. This is bomb. So good. So I'm on my way to get my nails done, and then I'm gonna run home, pick up hubby. We gotta go get a new tire, and I gotta run to Dollar Tree. That's what we're doing today. And I'm trying to think what else. Y'all, my hair turned out so good. Look at the curls. It's given frizzy because it's just been rubbing off on my jacket for a bit, and the wind's blowing. But the curls, that little thingy, really did its thing. I really enjoyed it. I will be using it again. I have on my hat and my B shades from Temu. If you guys have not seen that video, make sure you guys go see the first episode of Vlogmas. I will link it here. But I just wanted to come on here, tell you guys what's been going on today so far and what the plan is for today. And let's get all of our tasks done, you guys. Oh, I did want to show you a little treat bag one of my workers gave me. So she did give me a Starbucks gift card. I'm just gonna put a disclaimer on here that I'm currently not supporting Starbucks at the moment due to the whole war of Gaza, Palestine, all of that. I'm not supporting right now, but she did give me this. She gave me a little card that says Merry Christmas from her, but I covered up her name due to privacy reasons. And then she gave me this cute little keychain. Let me show you guys what it says. But this says, may you be proud of the work you do, the person you are, and the difference you make. Oh, that is so cute, y'all. Look. It's a cute little keychain, and it's written in beige because your girl loves beige. I am so excited to put this on my keychain. And then this little part says, thank you. Oh, and y'all, it has a mirror on the back so your girl can check her lips out. This is so cute. I'm gonna put this on my keychain. And then she gave me little chocolates and candy canes.
Pretty face, no waist, with a big old bag.
Y'all, I'm feeling myself today, okay? I don't know if it's the outfits, the makeup, the beige vibe, or the espresso. Whatever it is, it's got your girl lit. I forgot my earplugs, so I would have to listen to other people's conversation here at the nail salon when I would rather listen to my music, my vibes. But you know, it'll be okay. It'll be okay. Hopefully there's nobody in here. It will be an hour of peace. But if not, we'll just have to see what everybody else talking about today. But yeah, y'all, I meant to tell y'all oat milk was in this, and it's really, really good. I didn't have to add anything to it. And it's just giving, it's giving good. It's giving great. But I'm going to take y'all to my coffee shop that I love here in town. And then I do want to try a new coffee shop that I haven't been to. But we're going to go to the one that I love tomorrow so I can show you guys that. Because we are getting on the road going back home to Richmond. So let's go ahead and get these nails done, sis. Hey y'all, so I'm on the way home. I just finished getting my nails done, and I am disappointed in the way they treated me. I've been going there frequently. Like, ever since I moved here, I've been going to them, and they've always been nice. They always say, hey, how you doing? You know, whenever I go in there. Today, baby, shoot, it was just different vibes. It was given, why are you here? Don't come back. And who do you think you are? That's what it was given. I was very uncomfortable. And we're going to have a little story time, because I walked in there. No, hey, how you doing? No kiss my ass, no nothing. It was just, what do you, like, what services you want today? I said, can I get a fill in? You can sit over there. Sit over where? That pissed me off. Like, you can sit over there, because she's with a customer. I don't care. You still be respectful. But she's like, you can sit over there. Over where? What, we about to play musical chairs? Because no, you need, where am I sitting? The second table, the third table, the fourth table down? You tell me where I need to sit. So that was one. Two, you know, I'm already picky, and y'all don't have no good colors anyway. So I had to sit there and contemplate on what nail color I'm getting. So I'm like, what about this color? So the dude, he go pick out the color. I'm like, I don't really like that color. How about this color? I don't really like that either. That ain't gonna look good on me. So he go get the other color. Damn, I don't like this one either. Like, y'all got any other options? Then he come with a OPI little nail, a little color palette thing. I'm like, okay, now we talking. What about this color? And this is the color I have on. I picked that one out, and everything was cool. Then I heard something. I said, what? Because that was the lady talking. I was like, is somebody saying something? So I look over. She looking at me. She's saying something. I said, what? She was like, all the colors, how they look on the mannequin is how they gonna look at you. I said, no, they ain't. Because that little mannequin, nail prop, whatever it is, y'all done threw them colors on, ain't my skin color. So it's gonna look different on each complexion, baby. I was gonna say something else. But that's what I told her. And then she said something under her breath to her customer, and they over there laughing. Girl, it took all of the peace and positivity in me to not go over there and smack both of them. Because one, you're not gonna sit up here and disrespect me when I'm giving y'all money. I'm giving y'all business. Y'all not gonna disrespect me, one. Two, you need to have some good customer service skills. Like, y'all, it just pissed me off all the way. I was gonna get a little design. I was gonna give me a little star with a little bling. I said, let me get the hell out of here. I'm not giving y'all no more money, because they told me something, it's $5 extra for some design. No, baby. It ain't gonna be no $5 a day. I'm gone. I'm gonna give you this little $60 and I'm leaving. I'm not coming back. I'm not going back. Like, and I was looking on TikTok the other day, and these people was talking about how all these nail salons different. You know, everybody got an attitude and all, like, and I feel it. Like, I feel it. I'm not gonna give y'all money, and I'm not gonna come giving y'all my best vibes and positivity and smiles, and y'all over there looking like Mr. Grumpy Pants over there. Like, no, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. So we're gonna find us a new nail salon, because, baby, we ain't going back over there. But I'm gonna continue to choose peace and happiness today. We are on the way to go get hubby, because I gotta come back out and get a tire, but I don't know nothing about that stuff. So we're gonna go pick him up so we can go get this tire situation straightened out, figure out what we're gonna have for dinner. And yeah, so I'm gonna go home, charge my battery. I'll show y'all my nails once I get home. I need to put some lotion on and all of that. So I just wanted to give y'all a little story time, a little tea, because, baby, I'm not the one. I was trying to choose peace up in there, which I did. I'm proud of myself. But Z was about to go G up in there. Like, it was about to be, that shit was about to be closed down, because I don't like people disrespecting me when I'm giving you money. Like, I'm not giving you shit because you are disrespectful, you know? So, anyway, all smiles. Hey y'all, we back home. So I am pooped. This vlog is all over the place. I don't know where I started, where I stopped. I really don't. I think last time I saw you guys, it was at the tire place. So we got the tire. Pretty much she said all of them were bad. Hopefully that'll last us for a while. I did do a little bit of shopping, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Probably take a shower and put my feet up, watch a Christmas movie. Tomorrow we're going out of town, back to our hometown for just business purposes. So I'll take you guys along with me because we are doing the Vlogmas situation. So what was I talking about? I forgot, but I'm basically just gonna show y'all what I got and hit the hay for the rest of the night. Hey y'all, so we are in my little filming room so I can show y'all what I got from Bill's Outlet. This is like the second time I've been to Bill's. So they have some really nice stuff. So I got a two-piece set that looks like this. It's like a tie-dye with beige, and it's like in this flannel material. I love this, y'all. I can't wait to wear it. If you can, guys, if you can see, it's like a gray, beige, and white. I got it in a size small and it was $14.99, and it comes with the thermal pants. I love these. I might wear this tomorrow. I got another two-piece set, it's just a basic beige two-piece set. This one was $16.99, and this is what this one looks like. Like I said, just beige, same material, and it comes with the pants. And the shirts. So I got two-piece sets. Then I found these joggers, which I think were really nice because I have a bodysuit that will match this. These were $10.99, and I got these in a medium, and they are just giving like a baggy, oversized with like these cargo pockets. So I thought these were really nice. And I got some cheap little beige cat eye glasses, which I think will be really cute if I'm just throwing a basic look together. So I've been needing a brow brush, so I got this beige looking brow brush and eye curler set. I'm gonna take it out so y'all can see it. This is how the eye curler looks. I needed a new one anyway. And then this is the brow brush for the kitchen. It's an oil bottle. It was $4.99, so I'm gonna do that tonight. And the next thing I got is this Ellen Tracy perfume set. So the reason why I got Ellen Tracy is because I'm familiar with her brand, and I have another perfume of hers that I got from TJ Maxx that I use for like my out of the shower around the house perfumes, not like my going out perfumes. Let me know if you all do that, like if y'all have going to sleep perfumes, and then you have then you have your perfumes that you wear when you go out. So this comes with a lotion and the perfume. So it's called Ellen Tracy Bronze. Let's hope this smells good. Wow, it does. It smells very warm, vanilla-y. It smells kind of like my Burberry that I have. Oh yeah. Ellen Tracy is a very good out of the shower, I'm going to bed, I'm just walking around the house type perfume. Next is Dollar Tree because I wanted to do some stuff to my bathroom. So I got these. I got these for my makeup brushes, and I got this hand soap, one for upstairs and one for downstairs. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, put this stuff up. Hey y'all, so I was resting on the couch still trying to get this video uploaded. It's on 44%, so I'm gonna just go ahead and let it do its thing, and it'll probably be up like later on tonight. I'm not really worried about it. It'll be up when it gets up. So I'm about to take a shower, take this makeup off, do my skincare, and get in the bed. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.